Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Well, being that Halloween is right around the corner, and in celebration of the new Addams Family movie coming out, I thought we'd kick off October by drawing some of the Addams Family members. Starting with Gomez and Morticia. We'll follow up by drawing Pugsley and Wednesday on Friday. Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw Morticia and Gomez. We're going to draw Morticia and Gomez step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. While it may not look like it, Gomez and Morticia's heads are about the same height, and we can use that to get the proper proportions in this close-up drawing of our lovely couple. So what do you say we draw the roadmap for Morticia and Gomez? So there's our roadmap for Morticia and Gomez. So now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Morticia and Gomez's eyes, mouth, nose, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to be able to draw them light enough to erase them easily. So let's rough out Morticia and Gomez's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Gomez and Morticia. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Morticia and Gomez. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Morticia and Gomez. Alrighty, there they are, Morticia and Gomez Addams. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn either of these two characters before, you cannot expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring them during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Morticia and Gomez. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, they'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step and what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Morticia and Gomez. If you can, take a picture, post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.